You're right, guys. I don't normally do unboxings on my channel. This is my first unboxing video. So, as you can probably tell, this package does contain a dated article. I did open it prior to the video looking for the invoice, but they failed to put an invoice in. So this is going to be my unboxing video. First out is a sheath. Now, there's a curly break ferro rod. There's our sheath. Now ferro rod. Got a black dangler. Black dangler from Casstrom. That's our striker. Ferro rod for a Casstrom ferro rod. That's one side. This is it. Main part of our parcel. Still no invoice. So what's in the box? It is a number 10 Swedish forest knife in orange handle. Let's have a look. There's beauty. It's absolutely stunning. What we've got here is the Swedish forest knife number 10 from Casstrom in a full flat grind in a stainless steel, and yeah, out the box this is razor sharp. A QR code. And at the bottom, our warranty certificate that comes with every Casstrom blade. There we have it, guys. Today's purchase. This is the number 10 Swedish forest knife from Casstrom. Black dangler. The reasoning for the sheath is for the existing Casstrom. Like a glove. So we've got the replacement sheath and the matching ferro rod for our asphalt Casstrom, the black sheath, black dangler for number 10 Swedish forest knife. So, the dangler. So they're the two Casstroms, guys. There you have it. So a quick unboxing. And what I'll do with this is I'll run this through my normal knife tests that I do for every knife. So we'll get back to you at a later date, showing you the knife test format that I use. That's an absolutely stunning blade. And like I say, out of the box, it is razor sharp. I've never felt the need to shave hairs off my arms to see how sharp a knife is. I'd rather keep the hairs on my arms. That's it, guys. Another knife to the collection.